looking to master social media marketing? If so, then welcome. My name is Robin.
And my name is Jesper, and we're digital marketing professionals that have been teaching thousands of freelancers, small business owners, and everyday people how to use and how to master social media marketing in order to grow your brand, increase traffic, get more sales, and to work from anywhere in the world.
You'll learn exactly how social media marketing works and how to stand out from your competitors using all of today's popular platforms in no time at all. You'll also be learning about the long-time hidden secret that's known as the content marketing machine.
You'll learn a lot of tips and tricks on how to increase your followers and your viewers on social media, and also how to create a sustainable online business using social media marketing, whether you're an influencer, freelancer, or a business owner.
And remember, you're protected by a 100% money back guarantee. That means that there's absolutely no risk whatsoever to start learning right away. We'll continue updating and expanding this course to make sure that you're up to date with the latest updates and material.
We've also included premium coaching in this course, so we will be answering any of your questions in the Q&A section within 24 hours. So what are you waiting for? Get started today and we'll see you in the course.